A failure before payback period of 4 years is a loss. Cheap solar system looks fine in short term. For example, 1800 units more annually from a quality system is huge difference as the system life is up to 30 years. For residential solar, is cheap solar fine? It is a generic topic, but in this video, we will see how this affects the savings from solar power. Here, we will be discussing on-grid systems, but it may apply broadly to other systems types. The only purpose of on-grid system is return on investment and, of course, environmental benefit. The first thing to note is that for a household, the savings with solar increases over the years. In fact, annual savings increases with time. On-grid systems offer payback period of less than 4 years. This is very attractive return on investment as the life of solar panels is up to 30 years. But if a solar power system fails before 4 years, the investment is a loss. This is exactly the reason why we should avoid low-quality or cheap solar power systems. Now, what happens in a cheap solar system? Two main issues: risk of failure and low electricity generation. In this video, we will focus on one of the main components, solar panels. Let us see the failures of the solar panels first. Interestingly, the failures or problems in low-quality system usually start in a year or two. It looks fine in the short term. For example, the solar panel can have problems like junction box failure, glass breakage, defective cell interconnect, loose frame, and delamination. These will drastically reduce the power production and in some cases results in zero production. With panels and inverter, there are more than 20 components in a solar system. Each component should be of good quality and installation processes should be followed meticulously. And we should avoid duplicate components which are possible in cheap solar systems. This is very important as the system life is up to 30 years. Solar power system is a very pleasant experience only when it is done correctly. So, what does cheap solar system do to our goal, which is return on investment? This system starts to have failures in a year or two, which means a failure even before the payback period. This means a complete loss on our solar investment and a huge disappointment. Apart from failures, there is one more big issue with cheap solar system. It produces lower electricity. Each lesser electricity unit produced is a big problem as it is for long life. For example, in a 5 kilowatt system, 1 unit of lower production per kilowatt per day translates to about 1800 units per year. So, even when cheap solar is working before failures, its saving is less. Solar system performing well above payback period is a profit. A high-quality solar system gives huge profit as the system life is up to 30 years. As we saw in this video, a cheap system may not perform even till payback period and hence, it is a total loss. This beats the whole purpose of on-grid solar. Solar power system is a long-term investment and big commitment. It should not be a short-lived excitement. Hence, quality is topmost criteria for selection. A good study is mandatory. We hope this video was useful. You can visit our website for information on our solutions for residential and other applications. Also, our project photos and descriptions will help you visualize so that system type and customizations can be selected. Or you can call us for more information. Thanks for watching.